Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you different outfits with the white turtleneck to give you guys some ideas out there. These outfits are summer to fall transitional outfits and also fall outfits. So some are a little bit lighter and some are a bit heavier. And it also, of course, depends on where you live in the world, because some places never gets really cold during autumn time either. So okay, let's begin. So this is the white turtleneck that I'm gonna go for with this look. As you can see here, it is kind of ribbed, and yeah, I really love this. Or this is a very high neck as well, which is very cozy during this period of time. So I'm going to start off with the skirts outfits because we're going from lighter to a little heavier. So the skirt is from Mango. It looks like this. It's very pretty. It does kind of remind me of like a schoolgirl skirt almost. But I love these mini skirts. I think they're super pretty and a little bit like preppy style almost. I'm going to pair this outfit together with these sandals from Guess. They are light beige and I think they go so well together with the skirt. Whenever I'm wearing my white polo top, I always put my necklace out on the outside just to create something visual interesting happening. And also together I do the same thing with my bracelets. I'm just going to take this on the outside as well. And today I'm just wearing these little gold earrings. They're just very simple, which I love because I don't have to wear any flashy earrings just to like day to day. So I'm just going to keep these earrings on, and I'm not gonna wear any rings today. Okay, so let's move on to the bag. I'm gonna go with this bag just to put a little bit of color on top of the outfit. I like to follow the 3-color rule, or like 1 to 3 color rule. I don't go over 3 colors very often, so this is the 3rd color just to pop something out, make it a little bit interesting. And I love the red, and the red is super trendy right now, which makes it a perfect color to pop your outfit with. So I'm just gonna insert a picture here with the full outfit, full-blown outfit on. You can kind of see it a little bit better like this. Next skirt that I'm using in this video will be a black satin skirt, and I really love this skirt. This is one of my favorite ones at the moment. So the black satin skirt is a perfect way to make your outfit look a lot chicer and more elegant and classy. So because this is always a classy piece that you should have in your wardrobe, and I love this skirt so much. It is the latest skirt that I also bought, and maybe that's why I'm a bit obsessed with it. I've been doing so many different styles with this, and this will be perfect with this top as well. I'm wearing the black satin skirt, and usually I would tuck this in, but I feel like this is such a cute and classy look as well, just wearing it on top like this. And I'm gonna go with these white heels from Zara. The skirt is from a Swedish brand called Kateogembo. So I'm just gonna put on my heels. I'm still going to be using these gold little simple earrings and the same bracelet as before, but you can literally make an outfit look so much upgraded. Like, you can really elevate your look a lot with the jewelry you're wearing and what kind of earrings and necklaces and rings that you choose to wear. I don't wear any of my rings anymore just because I don't really like them at the moment. So I just have a phase where I don't want to wear the rings that I already have. Like, I want a bunch of new ones. But anyways, if I had any rings that I actually liked at the moment, I would put 2 to 3 rings on each hand. I'm going to top the outfit off with this tweed jacket from Kaiteogembo as well, and I just love how it looks. I don't use it a lot, but it's just some specific outfits where it looks really good because it does have very sharp and big shoulders, which I'm not really a fan of, but on this outfit. I think it's totally so cheap and it looks very classy as well. With this outfit, I'm gonna go with my Marc Jacobs bag. If you have a little bit more structured black or white bag, a little bit bigger, I would prefer black just because the only thing that I'm wearing that is black right now is the skirt, and I feel like wearing a black bag together with the skirt will really bring out the color. So this outfit would go along with such a nice structured bag. Moving from a black satin skirt to a more champagne colored skirt. I love the skirt. This is from the same brand, and this one, there is a big difference in this and the black one, just because this one is a lot longer and does have more design details. This skirt is also from Kateogembo, and I am gonna go in with the same white heels. Let's pair this up with the red bag just to pop in some color again. It really makes a huge difference, and I think it is super pretty. So this is what the outfit looks like. If you have a white shoulder bag, that would be the cherry on the top on this outfit, but right now I don't have access to my white shoulder bag because it's not here, so I'm gonna go and show you guys what it looks like with the red shoulder bag. And I think this would also work very well, but it is a little bit more out there than I felt like before. It was a little bit more discreet, but now with the color it really makes it out there, and I love this look, but I would prefer this look with a white shoulder bag. Moving from the skirts into the trousers, I'm wearing these gray trousers. They look like this. They are from Naked, and I love these. These are my absolute favorite ones. I'm wearing these very worn and torn sneakers from Guess. They do have a little blue color on them. To this outfit, I'm wearing my black bag from Marc Jacobs again, and it looks like this. This is a perfect outfit for whatever you're gonna do. If you're going to work, if you're going for a if you're going on an after work, if you are going to go shopping, if you're gonna take a coffee, if you're going for lunch. So this works for a lot of different occasions, which is perfect. I'm wearing these black trousers now. They're also from Naked, and these are one of my favorite ones as well, but I definitely love the other one, the gray ones, a little bit more. Let's put on some accessories to make this outfit a little bit better. A good belt can really make your outfit look so much better, and it really makes a huge difference. This one is from Massimo Dutti. It makes a little bit of a difference, and now let's just change the earrings. I'm going to put on these little chunky ones. They're like little chunky hoops almost. Okay, so I did put up my hair a little bit. I am tucking in the shirt a little bit more. These earrings and the belt makes a little bit different, and now I'm gonna go in with the jacket. I'm going to wear this biker jacket from Zara. I think it's a little bit of a cool girl aesthetic almost. I feel like I'm a cool girl when I'm wearing this, but I really feel like my hair should be out on this one at least. I feel like this is a lot better. I'm gonna wear the same sneakers, so these blue ones. Last but not least, I'm going to wear this Marc Jacobs bag as well, and this one really fits into this outfit, and I'm just gonna wear it like this. Actually, instead of these sneakers, I'm going to go in with these high heels. We're changing from a little more cool girl to some business casual schoolgirl. I don't really know what to call this, but whatever. This is a little bit more for the business casual looks. This would go so well also with a pair of white trousers, but right now I'm wearing the black ones. Yeah, and I'm also wearing the black boots. And I'm going to top this off with a black bag just to connect the entire outfit, and now it looks a lot better. So really, details makes such a huge difference. And I'm still wearing the same belt and the same earrings. The only thing that I switched out was from the jacket to the vest. Going back to the black satin skirt, I'm wearing the turtleneck tucked in this time. I'm going to wear these white heels. I'm going to get rid of these chunky earrings, and I'm going to go for a little bit more elegant ones. These are the earrings that I'm using for this look, and this is from Lily and Rose. So I'm wearing these earrings, this necklace, and this bracelet. I'm going to use this sweater just to kind of cover up here. This is perfect for when it's a little bit colder, but the weather is like changing. You don't really know what weather it's going to be, so just wear it like this. Like this, and then my black little bag to go along with this. So this is the outfit. We can also switch out the sweater for the biker jacket. This is a little bit cooler, but still, we're still chic, but we're a little bit cooler right now. I love the combination of cool and classy. So wearing it like this is also an option. That was it for today's video. If you like fashion and beauty content, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.